Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see spread operator in JavaScript and also we're going to see what is the difference between spread and rest operator in JavaScript. So let's get started with this topic. So what is spread operator in JavaScript? So basically it's an operator which is used to create the copies of an existing object or arrays, right? So here in this example, I have an array named as sub. Basically, these are my subjects as physics, chemistry, biology, English, and mathematics, right? And what I'm doing here is I'm making this the copy of this array, this sub copy, right? We are making this in this, we are making the copy of this array in the name of this array as array1, right? So we'll be creating this with the help of this spread operator, right? This is the spread operator basically. Three consecutive dots represent that this is a spread operator, right? And then after that you're going to write that array name which you're going to copy. And if we'll console log this, so we'll get this array in our results, right? So now quickly I'll open my terminal and I'll show you the results. So first of all, I'll clear my terminal now and then I'm going to run this file, right? Node array.js. So here in the screen you can see that I'm getting this array printed. Physics, chemistry, biology, English and mathematics when we are printing this array1, which is the clone of this array because of the with the help of this spread operator, right? So this is the spread operator in JavaScript. Now we'll see how we can concatenate two arrays or we can join two arrays with the help of this spread operator, right? So for a moment I'll be commenting out these lines and I'll be considering this code to show you the concatenation part, right? So just a second, yeah. So here you can see that I have two array now. I have this array sub and this array add subjects, right? Add sub. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just writing this sub with this spread operator and we are writing this add sub with this spread operator, right? In this console log statement. So the new array that will be printed will be having these physics, chemistry, biology, English, mathematics, arts and commerce in one single array, right? Now I'll open my terminal and I'll show you the results. Here you can see that physics, chemistry, biology, English, mathematics, arts and commerce. So each and everything is now considered in this array after the concatenation or adding of these two array, right? So with the help of the spread operator, we can also concatenate or add two different arrays in one single array, right? Now, next thing is we're going to see the difference between rest operator and spread operator in JavaScript, right? So for that, what I'm doing here is I'll be considering this code, right? And I will first of all tell you some differences between spread and rest operator in JavaScript. So spread operator expands the array while rest operator gives the remaining of that array, right? So you have already watched my previous video where I have explained this piece of code, the rest operator in JavaScript, right? So in rest operator, here you can see that I have three consecutive dots and then I have written rest, right? So and here this is subject 1 and subject 2. So this subject 1 represents this physics, subject 2 represents this chemistry and the rest one is this the remaining array biology, English and mathematics, right? So here spread operator expands the array while rest operator gives the remaining array, right? So this is the difference between spread and rest operator. Next one is spread operator can concatenate or add arrays as we have seen in here while rest operator does not, right? Because it gives the remaining of that array. So these are the differences between spread and rest operator in JavaScript, right? We'll also see rest operator in JavaScript with this example as well. But for before that, first of all, I'll comment out this piece of code. Yeah. So now I have this function basically, right? This const div. The name of that function is div, and this is the arrow function basically. And as the parameter, I am taking subject, marks, and then here I have used this more data, right? So this is basically my rest operator over here, right? Because if I'll console log these subjects and marks, right? And after that I'll console log this more data. Okay, this more data, that is this rest operator. So now when I'll call this arrow, when I'll call this function with these arguments, physics, as so physics will be considered as the subject, marks is this 92, and this subject and this student A passed with honors, available for award, all this will come in this rest operator, that is this three consecutive dots, and then after that it is written over here as more data, right? So all this will be covered in this rest operator, right? So when you will console log this, you will get this thing as the student A passed with honors, available for award, right? So I'll also comment, I'll make a comment and write this, that what we'll be getting here. So we'll get this, and here we'll get this as the output. I will also show you in the terminal as well, right? For explaining purpose, I'm just writing in the comment section over here. So now I'll open my terminal, and now I'm going to run this file. First of all, I'll clear it, and now I'm going to run it. So here you can see that, as I've already told you, that here in subjects and marks we'll get these physics and marks as 92 when we'll call this function, right? And the remaining student A passed with honors, available for award, all will come in this rest operator, this more data, when we'll console log this rest operator, right? Since here we have mentioned this as the rest operator, so whatever thing after subjects and marks as 92 over here, after that whatever you will write, this will come in this part, right? Because it will consider the remaining thing, right? So I hope guys that you have understood rest and spread operator in JavaScript, and also I think that you have liked this video. And guys, if you have any doubts, so you can ask the same in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And guys, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it, so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.